I do love hearing about people's traditions in the holidays, especially the ones that are unique to the family and you don't even remember how it got started, but you've been doing it for years and you don't even know why anymore. And I think there's ways to reimagine those traditions to be more sustainable without letting go of all the joy attached to them. So we've listed a bunch of traditions for the season over here. You can edit, add, whatever you like, customize these yourself. We're going to pick a tradition that involves a number of steps and activities. We're going to bring that down into our tradition 1 box below. Let's keep in mind that point here is we're going to pick one to make it more sustainable and joyful. So keep that in mind as you write out your traditions. Then you're going to list activities. So if I have a gift tradition, I'm going to list activities that go along with gift giving. You're going to list whether you love them or hate them, how much joy it brings for your home. Then we're going to leave and come back and do more traditions. So we'll have another exercise and then jump back here. So you're going to pick a tradition. You can drag this tradition down to the box. You can copy paste their tradition. So I'll try that and then drag that down to tradition 1 here. So this will be my first holiday tradition, gift giving. And so I'm going to write some activities that go along with gift giving. So you have some post-its. So you're going to double click on a post-it to add an activity for this tradition. So one might be think of gifts, make a list of people. You have to research gifts. What else do you gotta do? You have to go to the stores. You might shop online for some gifts. You could probably find addresses. What else? Wrapping the presents. You gotta ship presents. And making little cards or making the little tags for the presents so people know which ones are theirs. And there's also boxing up the gifts, finding the boxes. Where do the boxes come from? Yeah, so then you got to pick which activities are the most awesome, making this tradition the best tradition. It could be, I really like thinking of gifts. Sometimes researching gifts is fun. I like to go to stores. And I also like wrapping gifts. I think that's fun. I like to... okay, let's start there. So activities that make this tradition not so awesome. Let's see. Actually, I don't mind making lists of people. Sometimes thinking of gifts is the least awesome part. Depends on the person. And I don't totally enjoy shipping. Making the cards and tags. Shop online. Yeah, okay, we'll start there. So let's keep in mind we're going to add some stress monsters later, so that's what this gray box here is for. We're going to mark how much joy this tradition brings to our homes. So you just click on all the stars that you want to rate your joy as, and you're going to color them in, fill them in with a color, and so this is your joy rating. And then for now, we're going to move on, and we'll come back. Moving on to stress monsters.